Welcome back to Meatbug. We've done so many lessons so far, however, I want you to have freely access to the code that I'm writing. So for that, we're not going to do Pug right now, we're just going to quickly make this project available online. So follow me. Okay, so over here, I'll open the console and actually I'll open a new one over here, a new terminal. And if I say git branch, git remote, not branch, git remote -v, it shows that it's still pointing to Marian's Boolean Pug starter. So let's assume you want this to be your project. So I'll quickly open a new window over here and I will go on GitHub and GitHub Cotap.io. So let's assume that Cotap.io will be something like yours and not mine, which is Marian's Boolean. Over here, I'll create a new project, Meatbug, create repository. So now I want to point to Cotap.io Meatbug, not to Marian's Boolean Pug starter. So all I have to do is remove the connection to Git. Well, anyway, I want to also remove the history, so I'll just say rm-rf, which is remove recursive with force. This is remove, this is recursive, and this is with force. And I'll remove the .git folder, git status. Now Git no longer knows anything about it, so git init will reinitialize git add everything, and git commit -m Meatbug is quite awesome. And now all I have to do is copy those two lines, or those two lines, they're one and the same, paste them over here, press enter, give it a second, and now if I refresh the page, you can see that we got all of our files that we've written so far accessible and on the web, on GitHub, open sourced. And I'll continue to make commits, and you can find all those files on github.com/cotap.io/meatbug. So see you in the next lesson.